Engraving Pen set of flat lights. This is the first time I've used this kind of carving pen. I was a little worried at first, but in fact it's much easier to control than I expected. This lamp is very useful when it comes to detailing. It also works more stably for me than the one I used before, and the sound is a little quieter. A gift that is custom made by oneself is far more meaningful than one that is brought ready-made. Never let poor lighting hinder your creativity again. This Tuller engraving pen features a built-in high brightness LED light at the tip, providing a clear view of your work surface, more accurate lines even in low light conditions.